Welcome to this video about cubus Advanced Asset-Based Analytics. This video gives you first insight into cubus Outperform EV Analytics integrated into Oracle Business Intelligence Foundation Suite. Oracle BI and cubus EV on top of Oracle Asset-Based is the perfect combination to provide you with best-in-class BI platform technology and integrated leading self-service analysis and reporting. Cubus EV is integrated via a single sign-on into Oracle BI. So if you log on to Oracle BI, you get access to Cubus EV at the same time. We just select a dashboard. And on the first screen, you can see an Oracle menu selection on the left-hand side. In the middle, this is an Oracle BI chart. And on the right-hand side, this is a Cubus EV table. And if I switch from one year to the other, the Oracle BI graphic gets refreshed, but also the Cubus EV table, as you can see here. If I select different sales region, those objects get refreshed. And in this case, I can see that interior white is underperforming in the north region. So I would like to do some kind of analysis. So I will switch the product with the markets, and I can see that the purchasing association really performing bad. Let's do analysis on a month level. And as we can see, there's actual data until July, so we don't need August to December. So just deselect the ones. Whatever is blue is selected, whatever is not blue is not selected. And now we can see that there is really an issue in February, March. We could add the quarter values as well. And if you would like to put them side by side, we can just reorder that. This is a possibility to have a Cubus EV table and an ad hoc analysis inside an Oracle BI dashboard. You could also integrate Cubus EV as a full screen into Oracle BI. And in that case, you could decide to add the menu structure to provide all the functionality to better navigate through your Asset-Based database and to shape your report. In this case, we can still do things like drilling up. We have an undo button and a redo button to perform our analysis. And let's assume in this case we don't have a variance in the database, so we would like to add a calculation. In this case, we would choose a variance, choose actual to budget, name that actual to budget. And we have an additional column. If you do a selection, the formula applies immediately. As a next step, we would like to do some more analysis on the expenses. With one single click, we get rid of the P&L elements, and we would like to see more details on the operating expenses. As you can see, there are a lot. And we might not be interested in all the small little details. So at the first, let's do a analysis for the first 2 quarters where we have real data. And let's do a selection on the Q1 and just select the top 10 elements plus the sum. This gives 11. And now we have the top 10 expense categories. In this case, we would like to add the budget. And for the budget, we are interested not in Q1 and Q2, but in Q3 and Q4, which are the periods in the future. So let's select this. And this is what we call an asymmetric selection. So we have for the actual values, Q1, Q2, for budget, Q3 and Q4. And now we would like to add a calculation. We would like to add a forecast. And the forecast is actual quarter 1, actual quarter 2, budget quarter 3, budget quarter 4. And now we do another asymmetric selection because for the forecast we're just interested in the total year. And this gives you very quick access to a new element and create that. Let's assume in this case we would prefer have a graphical representation of that data. So we select the data bar, pick a different color for the bars, and just confirm that. And then we might do a sorting to get a better idea and a more quicker idea what are the main expense elements for this year. The last thing I would like to show you is the integration of cubus EV into an Oracle BI dashboard as a drill down analysis. So let's assume in that case we do our analysis and we can see that the data is dropping down in 2013, it's going up again in 2014. So we could see that also in that graph, and we might now do a deeper analysis on wallpapers in 2013. So we just click on it, choose the detailed view in cubus EV, and we get a new page. And on this page, automatically wallpapers in 2013 is selected. Let's have a look only on the main markets, and we would like to do a comparison between the years. So let's select 2013, 2012. And we would like to better view the data, so we would like to do a calculation 2013 compared to 2012. And now we can see better, but in which regions these problems occurred. So let's add the regions. And now we can see customer by region, or we can see region by customer. And now we would also like to add a traffic light for that element. Let's say we would like to have everything under 500,000 displayed in red. And as in those type of analysis, the totals doesn't help a lot. We just eliminate them. And we might want to just see those rows with data. So very quickly, we can see where are the main areas we should focus on. And this is a good example how you can use cubus EV on top of Oracle BI to get more detail on the data and do your ad hoc analysis and reporting. You could export that to Excel, you could print that, you can send that to someone via PDF, and there's a lot of additional functionality that I would be able to show you, but unfortunately time is over. So thank you for your attention, and check out any other video we have on YouTube or on cubus-eb.com. Thank you, bye.